Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos we learned how to use basic filters and the filter formula. In this video we will learn how to add a slicer in Google Sheets, a simple and visual way to filter data. Let's start from the basics. A slicer is a visual filter. Instead of clicking filter icon again and again, you can filter data by clicking buttons. Slicers are very useful for dashboards and reports. Think of a slicer as a remote control for your data. Before adding a slicer, select your data including the header row. This helps Google Sheets understand what data you want to filter. Now go to the top menu, click on Data tab and then click Add a Slicer. You can see a slicer box appear on the sheet. On the right side you will see the slicer setting. Here you can choose which column you want to filter. Let's select student name. After adding the slicer, we need to adjust the slicer position. So select the slicer. Now press and hold mouse left button and then drag the slicer where you want to put. I'm going to put this slicer on the top of my data. Now click the drop down arrow in the slicer. You will see all student names. Let's select David and Emma. Immediately the table updates and shows only those students. This is much easier than using normal filter. Let's add one more slicer. To add the slicer, repeat the same process. First, select your data. Then go to the Data tab and click on Add a Slicer. This time in Slicer settings, choose the Math column. Now we can quickly see students who scored high in Math. You can combine slicers to filter data in multiple ways. To clear a slicer, click the Clear Filter icon inside the slicer. To remove the slicer completely, click on three dots on slicer. Then select the option Delete Slicer. So this is how you add and use a slicer in Google Sheets. In the next video, we will learn how to use pivot tables to summarize and filter data. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Excel Remix. See you in the next video. Thank you.